So the hackathon is about to begin and you want to win. Well, let me help you out. In this video, we'll talk about 3 tips to help you win and succeed in being the victor of a hackathon. So tip number 1, understand the need. The last thing you want to do with you and your team is to build a solution or to actually get up on stage and present a solution to something that does not clearly match what the problem is. How do you solve that? By talking to the organizers, by working closely with the people who are actually helping with the hackathon, by looking at the judges and seeing what they're looking for, seeing if there's a rubric that actually outlines what the hackathon is about and what you'll be scored on. You want to be able to go up there and present your solution in a way that makes it easy for the hackathon organizers or sponsors to be able to say, you know what, that's my team. That's the story I can sell as a winner to the hackathon. So tip 2, understand the tools. One of the key things that you'll find when you go and participate in hackathons is that they'll give you a list of resources that you can review and look at in order to build your solution. So understanding the tools that are used and understanding the tools that you will use to present your solution is one of the key things to making sure that you build your solution. Understanding the tools involves, again, looking at the resources tab, talking to the organizers, looking over a tool set of solutions that you've built in the past to see if there's anything you can leverage. You don't want to try to actually learn AWS if you're an Azure developer, unless AWS is one of the key tools or resources that they want you to use in a solution. You'll find that out by talking to the organizer. And our final tip today is understanding your environment. What do I mean by that? When you go to a hackathon, every hackathon is different. Some hackathons allow you to do and build your solution online. You never walk into a building, while others, everyone comes together into one building to build out that solution. Well, what does that matter? Why does the environment matter? Well, if you're in an environment where there's strong Wi-Fi, right? You may look at building a solution where you can stream and you can actually show a working cloud-based solution versus an area or an environment that does not have Wi-Fi at all. So now you try to build a solution, try to show it, and now you got to utilize videos and other things that don't necessarily show your solution in the top light. Figuring out what your environment is, understanding whether, hey, is there Wi-Fi? Hey, is there going to be 24/7 access so my team and I can get together and present on site? Are there mentors and sponsors available to talk with us? That's part of the environment, knowing how you need to communicate with the people who are organizing the hackathon, as well as understanding how to work well with your team, how to actually look at or implement your solution within the given environment that you have for presenting is one of the key things for making sure that you are on top when you're trying to submit your hackathon idea. I know I mentioned that I was only going to give you 3 tips today, but I have one more bonus tip. Don't do it alone. That's one of the things that I struggle with myself. I'm good at building things. I'm good at getting graphics and design together. I'm actually good at marketing as well. So just because you're good at something doesn't make you great. Doesn't make it easier for you to build the solution, especially in a short time window that many hackathons have. So don't do it alone. Find some teammates either at the hackathon event or come with the team of friends who are willing to work with you and build out your solution. By coming up there with the team, the sponsors, the organizers of the event can see that, hey, this guy has a team of people who can actually build this solution for us going forward. And that factors in when they're trying to actually see whether they want to choose someone as a winner, because maybe they want to actually have this built out. And if you go up there solo mio, they're like, well, can this guy actually build out all the things? Or this girl, can she actually work with the team? Because she's off on her own. Figure out a team that you can work together with Bring that team to the event, present the work of the team all together is a great way to demonstrate teamwork and to get you closer to winning that hackathon. In future videos, I'll show you ways that you can leverage certain tools that make it easier for you to actually win a hackathon, as well as find ways for you to collaborate with others, find teammates, and leverage hackathons to grow your business or career profile with amazing things that you can develop using cutting edge technology. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.